In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom Discord server invite links. If you want your Discord server to look more professional and easier to share, setting up a custom invite link is a great option. Instead of using a long, random invite URL, you can create a cleaner, branded link that's much easier for people to remember. Before you begin, it's important to know that this feature is only available for servers that qualify for it. First, go to your Discord dashboard and open the server where you want to create the custom invite link. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and that you have the necessary permissions to manage the server. If you don't have access to the right settings, you may need to ask the server owner or an admin for help. Once you're inside the correct server, look to the top left area of the Discord app and click on your server's name. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From there, choose server settings. This is where Discord keeps the main configuration options for your server, including branding, moderation, and boost-related features. Before moving further, take a moment to confirm that your server has reached level 3. This is a key requirement for creating a custom invite link, sometimes also called a vanity URL. To unlock this feature, your server needs 14 server boosts. If your server hasn't reached level 3 yet, the option won't be available. So it's worth checking this first to avoid confusion. If your server does meet the requirement, stay in server settings and scroll down until you find the boost perks section. Click into that area and then look along the left-hand column for the option labeled custom invite link or vanity URL. This is the section where you can manage the custom server invite. When you open it, you'll be able to set up the custom link for your server. It's a good idea to choose something short, clear, and closely related to your server name or community brand, so it's easy for others to recognize and type correctly. Try to avoid anything overly complicated, since the main goal is to make your invite link simple and memorable. And that's it. Once you've found the custom invite link or vanity URL section, you're in the right place to create and manage your server's custom invite. This is a small change, but it can make your server look more polished and much easier to promote across social media, websites, and community pages.